Welcome back to our third week of distance learning for art class. First off, I just want to say nice job on all the work that you guys were submitting last week. It's been really fun for me to see what you come up with, how you choose to solve these different challenges, the really creative ways that you're doing this. So I've really been enjoying seeing the work that you've created, so keep it up. If you are interested in seeing some of the work that your classmates have been doing, I did put together another video just like the week before. So it says student artwork video week 2. If you click on that, it's going to take you to a YouTube video where it just goes through again some of the cool stuff that you guys have been creating last week. So check it out if you'd like to. Otherwise, moving on to week 3, we're going to keep things pretty similar to last week. This is going to be the last week where we do things in like using this choice board. I plan on switching things up a little bit each week with kind of a different focus, but this is just to kind of get us in the practice of creating from home, figuring out materials that you have, how to submit. So we're kind of still just kind of baby stepping into this. I plan on keeping a similar approach to it where there's an intro video, choices for how you complete the projects, a reflection sheet, and turn in. So that will stay the same, but I'll probably end up switching things out next week. So again, this week we're still looking at keeping things relatively similar. So we've got the choice board, which I have updated it for week 3. Some things I took out, some things I kept, some things I just switched out the picture for it. If you are feeling like you've got a lot on your plate right now and you've got a lot to do, choose some of the challenges that are going to be a little simpler. This one where it says create an artwork with your eyes closed. Very low pressure there. See what happens. It's really just about being creative and still making art at home, but give it the time that you need for yourself. If you don't have a lot of time, it's okay, and if you've got more time to develop your ideas, that's awesome. So choose from there, and again, go at the pace that you need to. And then our reflection sheet's going to look very similar to last week as well. I've switched up some of the questions, but just make sure you make a copy of this document, add your stuff to it, and make sure you get those pictures in so that I can see the work that you're creating. We're going to submit it the same way that we did last week as well. The instructions are on here. My internet's been dropping in and out, so apparently this is not going to open up, but just like last time, we're going to be submitting it. You'll see how to do that if this will open up. Apparently not. Well, anyway, you can open that from your end. Make sure that you submit it on Schoology. Don't share it with me. If worst case scenario, if you need to share it with me, it's okay. I will accept it, but try to submit it on Schoology because it just makes things a little bit easier to manage with 10 classes. So please let me know if you have questions. Take a look at that choice board, start creating, and I'm excited to see what you make.